Well, today is practice day for the Tony Reyes Terry Leong Memorial. So, what that is, it's an over-under event. Someone over 50, somebody under 50, regional in San Jose at 4th Street Bowl, where I used to practice for college. So that's kind of cool. But skipping practice today because I'm picking up somebody from the airport on the way there. So you'll get to see who it is in a little bit. But I got some editing to do, so I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna head out. This is why we had to miss practice again.
Oh, don't
This is why.
No, I told you to ask somebody if that wasn't bowling.
I couldn't find anybody, and I didn't really try. It's all good. It's all good. What's up, man?
What's up?
We're
Thanks for coming and getting me. I appreciate it.
Yeah, bro. I love this guy. You know, gotta take care of our boys when we can. We're going to somewhere special right now.
Ryder Cup, baby.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
go USA.
USA! All right, we're here at my old stomping ground, San Jose State. Here to help out the team a little bit. They've got a 2-hour practice from 5 to 7, and Mr. Adam is gonna help us out a little bit. That's his payment for his ride to the tournament this weekend. It's been a while since I've been here, so it's kind of nice to be back.
So, you know, I told you that I was going to help you out if you ever needed help, right? But I've seen some of your equipment, and some of you have new equipment, some of you don't have equipment, right? So, I just emailed Gary Hulsenberg. He is the manager of the staff players for Storm and Roto-Grid. And so, we're going to get with your coach. You guys are going to formulate a list, all right? Darren and I, we're going to buy you all a new ball. Whatever ball you want that Storm and Roto-Grip or Global make. Because you guys allowed me to come out and run my mouth, I just wanted to share this experience and tell you how much you guys have touched my life, and so I wanted to try and return the favor. Okay? Thank you.
All right, so we're gonna sign off from the Union here in San Jose State. Team! All right, guys, good luck this year. Spartan up! You guys are so excited, so much energy. Yeah! Alright, not a lot of bowling content, but you know, we got to help out the team, you know, do something cool for them. And give awesome. Back. Yeah. Thanks Uncle Steve and AJ for coming down and giving them some tips.
Take the max off.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some food and find this Airbnb and
grub.
Yes. Uncle Steve and I have A squad tomorrow and AJ gets to sleep in.
Yes.
So hopefully we get lots of scores, the A squad house shot overlay. All right. Japantown. We're back. I'm back. Man, got some good memories here. Spent a solid 7 years living down here, I think. And I was down in this area a lot. Mainly playing Pokemon Go. We're reunited with Jeff, the Valorant god, the carry. The reason why I'm plat.
Because of my generosity.
All right, we made it to our B&B. It's been a struggle trying to get here, figure out where we're actually staying, because there's like a main house and a sub house, is what we call it. And we're staying in the sub house. We saw people in the main house, so we were freaking out like, are we in the right place? But
A little sketch.
here we are. You want to give us a tour of the house?
A little sketched out. But we're in here, and it's actually pretty nice.
It is.
It's about as intimate as it gets, though.
I was concerned when we walked like up to the front door. I'm like, is this just gonna be like a little?
And the red circle they talked about at the door
that was freaky.
With like the dripping paint. Yeah, that was a little freaked
I
out.
thought we were in some kind of movie.
Yeah.
Anyways,
this is it.
living space, little kitchen, 2 fridges. We got. Oh no, wait, that's a dishwasher. Okay. Little garbage can, it's a little stove type deal, microwave. I'm guessing utensils up there, maybe.
They got some nice wine glasses, though.
Yeah, if we want to get wine wasted. Here's our bedroom. AJ and I are sharing this children's room with a little closet, nice little lamp. These lights don't really turn on, but it's all good.
Children's room.
And then Uncle Steve staying in the master. He's got himself an AC unit there. Oh, an extra door to the bathroom. Double, okay. Yeah, this is
Cozy.
yeah, we'll go with that. You know what? We're in San Jose, and if you were to rent this place out, I would guess it's like $2,000 a month, maybe?
We have pineapple.
We have. Don't drop that.
Nope.
All right, cool. What? Tomorrow we start competition qualifying back to a normal-ish format. 8 games of qualifying. Steve and I are on B or A. AJ's on B, and that's all I got for you guys today. We're in this creepy little hut, and
Try and get some sleep.
it'll be a fun time. See you tomorrow. Uncle Steve in the Maserati. Look at that. That's one hell of a rental car. Look at this guy. Well, what do you think? We had no idea what we were doing when we got here.
Hey, what a surprise. Like I was gonna know.